Golaba ku screen yo ye Medard Ssegona ate olunaku olwaleero akikoze mu Parliament bw'atabukidde Speaker n'amutegeeza nti ebyuma byagaana okuzannya vidiyo ya His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ng'akwatibwa wali ku Entebbe International Airport abirina mu ngalo ze era n'amugamba nti waba ayagala Parliament eno okuddamu okuproceedinga aggyeko ebyuma by'alina mu ngalo ze kubanga afunye okugamba nti Museveni ono alabika yaganye Speaker oplayinga video egende ku likodi obutigumbuzi n'ettemu eryakolebwa eryalaganga Uganda nti ekola obutemu ku bannansi baayo okuwambira Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ku airport nga yakalinnya era kino kyali kimenya mateeka ga nsi yonna kubanga ne His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine kyeyaweebwa chance kusayininga. Yes, kakati bino nno bye bitabudde Parliament olunaku olwaleero era ekiri eyo kifumba kitokota. Yes, tujja bategeeza nti ebimu bikola naye mukimanye nti bino bigenda ku likodi. Bannayuganda bategeera, bannayuganda kati baabuuka, bannayuganda bamanyi, bannayuganda kati bagezi nnyo. Temujja tuleetako kamanyiro kammwe na kajanja kammwe olw'okuba Museveni aba abawadde order. Abaka baffe mwenna abataddeyo okulaba nga akavidiyo kano ka playinga ku Parliament ne kagenda ku likodi ne tumanya Museveni engeri gy'atugumbulamu abantu kubanga kino kyalinga kuwamba muntu. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine okumuwambira ku kisaawe nga yakatuuka kye kitabudde abaka Parliament. Leader of Opposition tweyanziza nnyo. Honorable Ssegona nawe tweyanziza nnyo. Tuli mu Parliament baganda bange ebigambo byo byasobye dda abaka baffe bakikoledde ddala olunaku olwaleero. Bino nno bannange bye tubaagala mu baganda baffe okulemerako okw'amaanyi kwe mukozesezza n'ekipawa eky'amaanyi kye mutaddemu Leader of Opposition bino bye twakwagalamu n'ababaka bo. Tuve mu kwetiitirira, tuve mu gamambuki, tuyimukire wamu tulwane tulabe nga tutereeza eggwanga lyaffe. Bano bo bayinza okuba balina emipango gyabwe emirala gye bapanga, neffe tubeere focused nnyo okulaba nga tulwana kulabe nga twenunula Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine His Excellency nga tukulembeddemu tuwali kigenda gaana era tubasuubiza tugenda kubeera abawanguzi. Yes, baganda bange, mikwano gyange, mbeera bwetyo bweri mu Parliament y'omubaka Ssegona alemeddeko agamba nedda bano baleka baagala tumanyiira, baagala tuzannyirako, baagala tutwalira biseera. Balowooze nti bwe tunaasirika ne bakola emivuyo gyabwe ffe ne tufuuka kyesirikidde bajja genda maaso n'okukola katemba. Ssegona abigaanye era gyeyaga ombuto n'atabukira tayeebwa ateekewo okulaba nga bayinginiya bapuleyinga ka vidiyo kano kagende ku likodi. Tayeebwa abadde akyebuzaabuza n'amugamba ssebo Tayeebwa yeggwe alina akuma kogamba nti kaganye vidiyo n'okupuleyinga gukayina mu ngalo zo. Tuli mu Parliament baganda bange leero ennyumidde ate bulala. Yes, Leader of Opposition tiiki ogifunye olwaleero weebale nnyo.
Same person disappears at the instant. Right, Honourable Speaker. Right, Honourable Speaker. The matters.
Rob, conclude.
Right, Honourable Speaker, I can understand that members of this House may want to downplay what we are doing here, right, Honourable Speaker. And I think they believe that this matter simply relates to the title of the report.
Procedure.
Mr. Speaker, I'm very much constrained to raise a matter of procedure, especially when my leader is on the floor. I am only persuaded by conscience and a conscious decision to ask this question. My understanding as a senior member of this House is that when a gadget of this nature is brought, or before it is brought here, as the leader of the opposition guided, it is brought to your attention and you authorize. The gadget that is missing is actually missing in your hands as Speaker of this House. And Mr. Speaker, and you know how much respect I give to institutions. And I have a duty to protect the integrity of this institution. Is this not a matter where you must summon all the forces at hand before you proceed with this matter to find out where your gadget is to find out where your officer is and to tell us the technical glitch
Please, no.
and to tell us, no, Mr. Speaker, I am okay with him because even in my constituency, I have people like the honorable member and I respect them.
Thank you. Now, Honorable colleagues. Honorable colleagues, I used my prerogative. I used my prerogative as a presiding officer to allow the playing of the video. Okay? Because it's not provided for in the rules. I used my prerogative. Yes, you get it? And I wanted fairness. I told you, colleagues, we have to be fair to each other. Now, I'm seeing we are reducing the whole debate of a statement which I was told is very critical to playing a video. Number two, beyond the lead of opposition, I have other members who are going to submit on both sides. This is not a matter of opposition or NRM. This is a matter that affects all members here. Okay? So please, let's go on with the debate. And if there is a member who doesn't want to debate, I won't force you to debate. But what I told you is very simple. What I told you, please, I have already directed the clerk to do his work. I can't go to do the work of the clerk. Okay? Debate opens now. Okay? Debate starts now. Honorable Kuwulira.
Proceed, dear Mr. Speaker.
Right, Honorable.
Proceed, dear Mr. Speaker. Proceed.
Colleagues, don't access a microphone without my permission. Debate starts now. Leader of opposition, Lop.
Mr. Speaker, thank you. Technology has evolved, and technology can allow plug and play. May we seek your indulgence and we plug and play the video if the Office of Parliament has played a Digital Hearing Act.
Mr. Rope, as a leader of this house and as a speaker, as a presiding officer, issues that are administrative and technical are issues of the clerk. Please, I know my limits. I don't want to go beyond my limits. Okay? I don't want to go beyond my limits. Lop, you're a reader here. Now, the complaint made is on an administrative staff. An administrative staff. Even a political reader here, I have demanded that must be listened to before I judge anyone. Okay? So, Lop,
Mr. Speaker.
Lop,
Yes.
my request to you as a leader in this house, I don't know, Honorable Zaki.